Hey, did you know Henry Ford wasn't just the guy who made cars affordable? He also redefined wealth building for an entire generation. And here's the kicker: the principles that made him a millionaire back then, they're even more relevant in 2025. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to shift gears and accelerate your own financial success Ford style. Okay, so Henry Ford, we know the guy for the Model T, the assembly line, and putting the world on wheels. But what's less talked about is how he built his empire, not just financially, but strategically. And guess what? These lessons are timeless. Let's dive into the secrets Ford used to go from tinkering in a workshop to reshaping the world economy. Spoiler alert, you're going to want to write these down. First up, Ford's obsession with efficiency. He didn't invent the car, but he made it accessible. His famous assembly line didn't just speed things up, it cut production costs by more than half. What can we learn from this? In 2025, efficiency is all about leveraging tools like AI and automation. Whether you're an entrepreneur or climbing the corporate ladder, ask yourself, where am I wasting time? What can I streamline? Think of efficiency as a double-edged sword. Automate tasks like emails or invoicing, but don't sacrifice quality for speed. Use tools like ChatGPT for brainstorming ideas, but always add your personal touch. Ford didn't just build faster, he built better. Ford didn't just build cars, he solved a problem. People needed affordable, reliable transportation. Here's the deal. Too many people today focus on the product, not the problem it solves. For 2025, the golden question is, what problem am I solving that AI or tech hasn't mastered yet? Niche down. If Ford taught us anything, it's that you don't have to reinvent the wheel, just make it work better for more people. In 2025, this might mean creating user-friendly apps for older generations or eco-friendly alternatives to common products. Watch out for analysis paralysis. You don't need to solve every problem, just solve one really, really well. Ford didn't try to build planes or trains. He stayed in his lane, literally. Ford's $5 workday is legendary. He doubled wages, not because he was a saint, but because he understood a simple truth. A happy workforce is a productive workforce. Fast forward to 2025, and this translates to investing in your network and your team. Collaboration is the currency of 2025. Join mastermind groups, upskill your team, or simply connect with mentors who've been where you want to go. Ford's legacy wasn't just machines, it was people who believed in his vision. Ford didn't get rich overnight, his success was built on a foundation of long-term thinking. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to chase trends, crypto one day, NFTs the next. But here's the truth. The real wealth comes from sustainability. Build assets that stand the test of time. Whether it's a business, personal brand, or investments, ask yourself, will this still matter in 5 years? And hey, don't forget to diversify. Ford didn't put all his bets on one model. He adapted when the market shifted. Ford faced plenty of failures before hitting it big. The Detroit Automobile Company, total flop. But he learned, pivoted, and came back stronger. If there's one thing 2025 demands, it's resilience. Failure is a data point, not a dead end. Keep iterating, and don't be afraid to pivot. Remember, Ford didn't just bounce back, he built back better. Now, let's bring this home for 2025. How do we adapt Ford's millionaire secrets today? Here's the playbook. Master efficiency with tools like AI. Learn to work smarter, not just harder. Solve specific overlooked problems. Invest in people and relationships, your real wealth. Think long-term with sustainable strategies. And above all, stay resilient. Treat failures as fuel for your next success. These principles aren't just for billionaires or business owners, they're for anyone ready to level up. So, which of Ford's secrets will you start applying today? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And don't forget to subscribe. Next week, we're diving into Jeff Bezos' Amazon empire and the strategies that made him a trillion-dollar titan. Until then, keep learning, keep earning, and I'll see you next time at theaimarketingschool.com. A new cool out.